Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to request a refund on Google Play Store. So we have few options. So yeah, let's get straight into it. All right. Now the first option is basically that we go to the Google Play Store and navigate to the app or game's main store listing page. So if you are within the 2-hour window, so if you bought the game or something less than 2 hours ago, you can claim an instant, no question ask refund directly through the store interface. So yeah, um, if you purchased something, here you can all basically you will see a green refund button will be visible next to the open button right here. So let me show you if I have. Okay, so next to open button, you will have green refund button visible, and you will tap on it. The app will instantly uninstall from your phone, and your money will be reversed to your payment method. Okay, now if it has been more than 2 hours, but less than 48 hours. So not almost 2 days since you purchase, you must file a formal request. So you cannot use the mobile app for this, as the web portal provides much more reliable tracking. So let me jump in the web page. All right, so now as you can see, we are in Google Play order history. And you will see next to these apps and prices, you will see um, basically refund purchase here as a green option. So if I click on that, it will pop up this window here. And now here I can choose um, why I want the money back. So I have here that I bought it accidentally, that I don't like this app, that my kid bought it without my uh, will, that I don't know this, and I didn't get this app, or this app doesn't work as they are saying. And yeah, then let's say like that, we will have here some um, option here. So you can just read that and then just send it. All right. And that's basically it. And now you will wait. And if you get it, you will get this money back. And this is pretty much what you can do. If it's more than 48 hours, then you will need to contact the developer. So you will get some contact under the app which you installed, and then you will contact them directly and talk with them if they can give you money back. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next